doing a little video of how to fix a Dodge key fob. See, there's lots of videos online where people say you got to buy a new fob, and you don't have to. You can fix. I've already fixed this once, and it's been what, 2-3 years, and just got to take it apart for another fix because my car is starting to start itself. So basically, I'm just gonna, can't remember the good place to pry it apart. You just pop the fob apart. There's the battery. Now there's a rubber thing here. That's the part that holds all the goodies. You can take this circuit board out. And what you'll find normally is there are these little metal connectors that will be glued to the back of this with some weird paste, and generally what happens is that paste sort of wears out and these little metal things start flopping around in there and pressing buttons that you're not trying to press, or not letting you press your buttons. So my problem here, as you can see, was with the auto start. So it's a little misaligned there, and basically all I did was Scotch tape. I clean everything up and Scotch tape it down, because this little clicker is concave, so you have to, when you press on it, it connects the middle section to the outside section. So I generally just like to, I use lighter fluid as a cleaner. It's good. Cleans any goopy stuff and it evaporates. Just put a bit of that on the cloth. You can also use a pencil eraser to clean up the connections there. So there's, you can see there's some guck there. It's all clean. And I'll clean the back of this. And then I'm just going to put a new piece of Scotch tape and make sure it's fairly centered. Do my best. Like so. And that's all you got to do. So the reason people have been buying new fobs, and it's just not necessary, is because then you have all these clickers kind of glued into the rubber piece, but you don't need that. As long as they're centered over the places they're going to be clicking, that's all you need to do. So that's fixed. You can take your time and clean everything up once it's apart, get all the dirt out of there, but that is how you fix your fob for free, pretty much. Thanks for watching.